This illustration deals with habitable rooms. NEC Article 100 defines such a habitable type room. The purpose of the change is a new definition has been added to address habitable type rooms. This new definition defines these rooms as they're located in a building for living, sleeping, eating, or cooking. But notice here, it does not include bathrooms, toilet rooms, closets, hallways, storage, or utility rooms, or any similar areas defined by the authority having jurisdiction. The definition aligns with the same term used in NFPA 500, Building Construction and Safety Code, which promotes the consistency of this definition, and its use. Now, first, for applications of definitions, we would want to see 210.8, 210.70, A as in apple, 1, and B as in boy, and 300.22C as in car, as well as 404.2C as in car. And you can see where this definition of this term is used. Now, secondly, throughout the code, this definition of what is considered a room that can be occupied by people, for example, it appears in at least 8 or more times in various sections of the NEC. So I would like to call that out to you. Now, the note says building has living, sleeping, eating, but excluding bathrooms, toilet rooms, closets, hallways, storage, or utility rooms, and similar areas. And basically, the way I see this, can people occupy that room? That's what this definition really is all about.